Welcome to our video series dedicated to finding the best laundry basket out there. Are you tired of struggling with overflowing laundry, messy piles, and inconvenient storage solutions? Well, we've got you covered. In this series, we'll dive into the world of laundry baskets, exploring innovative designs, space-saving features, and durable materials. Get ready to transform your laundry experience with our top picks for the ultimate laundry basket that will make your chores a breeze. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. DOKEHOM Large Laundry Basket. The DOKEHOM Large Laundry Basket is a game changer when it comes to managing your laundry needs. With its generous 90-liter capacity, this collapsible laundry bag offers ample space to accommodate a substantial amount of clothes, making it ideal for households with large families or individuals with extensive laundry requirements. One of the standout features of this laundry basket is its collapsible design. When not in use, it effortlessly folds flat, allowing for easy storage and space-saving convenience. The sturdy and durable construction ensures that it remains upright and maintains its shape even when fully loaded. The freestanding design of the DOKEHOM laundry basket adds to its versatility. It can be placed in any corner of your home, bathroom, or laundry room without the need for additional support. The reinforced handles provide a comfortable grip, making transportation a breeze even when carrying a heavy load. Crafted from high-quality materials, this laundry basket is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use. The breathable fabric prevents unpleasant odors, ensuring that your laundry remains fresh. Additionally, the sleek and modern aesthetic of the DOKEHOM 90L large laundry basket effortlessly blends with any interior decor. In conclusion, the DOKEHOM large laundry basket is a practical and reliable laundry storage solution that offers ample space, convenience, and durability. If you're in need of a laundry hamper that can handle large loads while being collapsible and stylish, this is a fantastic choice that won't disappoint. Number 2. Lifewit Large Collapsible Laundry Baskets. The Lifewit Laundry Hamper Large Collapsible Laundry Baskets have proven to be a remarkable addition to any laundry routine. This reviewer recently acquired these hampers and found them to surpass all expectations. With their generous capacity, they effortlessly accommodate an entire week's worth of clothing for the entire family. The collapsible design stands out as a standout feature. When not in use, these hampers conveniently fold flat for easy storage, saving valuable space in the laundry area. Additionally, their waterproof construction ensures no leakage or moisture seepage, providing added protection for clothes and the surrounding environment. Thanks to the extended handles, transporting these hampers is incredibly convenient, even when they are filled to the brim. The sturdy build ensures that heavy loads are supported without any signs of wear and tear. In conclusion, the Lifewit Laundry Hamper Large Collapsible Laundry Baskets offer exceptional practicality, durability, and efficiency, simplifying laundry day tasks. This reviewer highly recommends these hampers to anyone seeking a reliable and space-saving storage solution for their laundry needs. Number 3. HomeHacks Large Laundry Basket. The HomeHacks Large Laundry Basket has proven to be an indispensable addition to my household. With its waterproof and durable design, this freestanding laundry hamper has exceeded my expectations in terms of functionality and convenience. One of the standout features of this basket is its generous size, allowing me to fit a substantial amount of laundry without any hassle. The extended handles provide a comfortable grip, making it effortless to carry even when filled to the brim. Moreover, the collapsible design is a game changer, allowing me to easily store it away when not in use, saving valuable space in my laundry room. The waterproof material ensures that no accidental spills or leaks seep through, offering peace of mind when transporting wet clothes. The sturdy construction ensures that the basket retains its shape and stability, even when filled with heavy laundry loads. Overall, the HomeHacks Large Laundry Basket has proven to be an essential tool in streamlining my laundry routine. Its practical features, including its waterproof design, collapsible nature, and extended handles, make it a standout option in the market. I highly recommend this laundry hamper to anyone seeking a reliable, spacious, and durable solution for their laundry needs. Number 4. Mkono Tall Wicker Laundry Basket. The Mkono Tall Wicker Laundry Basket is a stunning addition to any home decor. Its woven design exudes a natural and rustic charm, instantly elevating the aesthetic of any space. Made from high-quality wicker, this basket is durable and built to last. One of the standout features of this basket is the decorative wooden bead embellishments, which add a touch of elegance and uniqueness. The beads not only serve as an eye-catching detail, but also enhance the overall visual appeal of the basket. In terms of functionality, the Mkono tall wicker laundry basket truly shines with its ample size. It offers generous storage space for laundry, blankets, toys, or any other items you need to organize. The tall design allows for easy access and ensures that everything stays neatly contained. The basket's sturdy handles make it convenient to transport from room to room. Whether you're carrying a heavy load of laundry or simply moving items around the house, the handles provide a comfortable grip. Overall, the Mkono tall wicker laundry basket combines style and practicality seamlessly. Its beautiful craftsmanship, natural materials, and functional design make it a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance to their home while maintaining organization. Number 5. OIAHOMY Hamper Laundry Baskets. The OIAHOMY laundry baskets has proven to be a practical and aesthetically pleasing addition to my living room. This decorative basket offers ample storage space and is perfect for keeping my laundry organized. The woven design adds a touch of elegance and blends seamlessly with the overall decor of my living space. One of the standout features of this laundry basket is its generous 80L capacity, which easily accommodates large loads of laundry. The sturdy handles make it convenient to carry, even when filled to its maximum capacity. I appreciate the durable construction and high-quality materials used in its design, as it ensures long-lasting functionality. The basket's versatile nature allows me to use it beyond laundry storage. It serves as an excellent storage solution for blankets, pillows, and other items, effectively decluttering my living room. The neutral color options available make it easy to match with various color schemes. Overall, the OIAHOMY laundry baskets is a fantastic investment. Its combination of practicality and stylish design makes it a valuable addition to any living space. I highly recommend this woven storage basket for those seeking a versatile and durable storage solution. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information.